Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add a family member to your YouTube Premium. I was setting up YouTube Premium for my family the other day because sharing is caring, right? And also because I'm not paying for 5 separate subscriptions. And it turns out adding someone is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I log into my account, click my profile icon in the top right, and went into purchases and memberships, which is basically where all the important subscription stuff lives. From there, I opened Manage Membership and found a family sharing section. From there, I opened Manage Membership and found a family sharing section, and that's where the magic happens. I hit send invitations, type in the email of the person I wanted to add, and send it off. It honestly felt like inviting someone to a digital dinner table. They just need to accept the link from their email or SMS and they're in. One thing I learned the hard way though, you need to be on a family plan and be the manager, otherwise that invite button might as well not exist. And everyone has to be in the same household, so no sneaky long distance freeloading. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.